Hi guys, I'm Madeline with Lakeside Table, and today I've got a quick tip for you on why you should pound your meat. Pounding your meat, especially chicken breast and pork tenderloin, really breaks down the connective tissue and it makes the meat a little bit thinner, so it cooks up fast and easy, and that keeps it really tender and moist. I like to put the meat in a large Ziploc bag, season it, and then give it a good whack until it's about a ½ inch thick. If you're doing saltimbocca, a piccata, or even a scallopini, this is a great way to keep your counter clean. So if you like to do any of these recipes, head on over to my blog, Lakeside Table, for these recipes. And if you find this tip useful, please like it and share it with some friends. Until then, I'll see you next week. Bye guys.